Hi, let's see demo for Tollgate Android app. So open XAMPP control panel. So here we are using two server, Apache and MySQL server. So you have to click on Start Apache and Start MySQL. To see the backend database, click on the admin button of MySQL. It will promote you to the web browser. So this is the backend. In the left hand side you can see your project database, Tollgate. If you expand it, you can see the project tables. So if you want to select a particular table, login table, you can see the user registered to this app. So next, open Android Studio. In the left hand side you can see your project source code. Next, open AVD manager below the minimize button. So here select the play button, that is launch Android emulator. Once you launch this emulator, you will get this emulator window. So now login as a administrator, admin@gmail.com, and password is test. Login successful. So we are seeing the administrator of the toll app. So here the admin can do several operations like adding the from and to location of the toll gate. For example, a toll gate present in the Chennai and Bangalore in between the road. So you have to add the location of the toll gate. Chennai to Kerala, so it is created successful. If you want to delete the list, you can able to delete it. Once you configure the from and to, you have to add the route. So there will be, for a toll gate there will be multiple route will be there. So we are giving the reference. The route is created now. The admin will be adding the user details of the toll gate users. Toll gate user is nothing but the toll staff users. Okay, so you have to enter the login details and basic address detail for the user details. So once you do that, you can able to manage the user detail in the update users. So here you can able to search the staffs of each toll gate. So here you can able to see in the more details. So what is the toll ID? ID will be the login ID for the toll staffs. If you want to add a toll gate, you have to add the toll gate and what is the from and to, and what will be the price for a particular car or bus. So you have to mention the vehicle type. For car, what will be the cost. The toll gate is added now. You can manage the toll gate details in the view toll gate option. If you want to update the cost, you can do it. Okay. The main thing is toll pass. Okay, so for the toll pass we have to apply a toll pass from the user side. So we have already registered a user, so we are going for a user login now. So user@gmail.com and password is test. So once you log in as a user, you can able to apply the toll passes and you can get toll ticket the online. Okay, so we have a wallet concept for the purchase. So it's a dummy wallet. You can add your own money. Okay, so with that wallet you can purchase the ticket or pass. So if we are going to purchase a ticket, so if you have purchased a ticket, it will be displayed over here. So apply toll pass. So for applying the toll pass, so you have to choose the pass type and period. So once you applied the toll pass, so it will be bending in the toll pass report. Okay, so for generating the toll pass report, you have to run the project in the web view. Okay, so you have to update the payment details and approve it. Okay, so once you approve it, the amount will be debited. To generate the QR code for the pass, you have to use this web browser. Okay, so you have to generate a QR code and click to update, and it will be generated now. The QR code will be saved in the temp folder. Okay, so once you generate it, you can upload the QR code. So you can go for the app now. From the app we can able to upload it. So it will be in the SD card download folder. You have to drag and drop this image before you uploading. So once you upload it, you can able to see the images over here. You can search by means of category, by means of pass ID wise. Okay, so that's all for the admin module and user module. Thank you.